We just got back. I thought I'd do a small video of the babies. Spike, Spike! You gonna go in there? Man. See, I still don't see Betty and Tina. Oh, they way up there in the corner.
Stop.
She said, I want to leave this place. I got it. I got it. Hey, baby. Better hurry. He's scared. Y'all come here. Oh, look at the babies. I wish they wouldn't do him that way. You ain't gonna be able to get him none. Throw it to him. How many did he get? Hurry up, give it to him. They ain't behind you if you go. I don't know why he just don't sleep in the front yard, do you? Poor Spike, Spike. Look at the rooster. Look at the baby. He said, you gonna eat that cardboard box? Got an angel bug. Come here, angel bug. He said, Dad, I want to smell your breath and give you a kiss. He said, let me smell your breath, see what you ate. Has he? Is it down good? Both of them? Oh, I believe you. Come here, angel bug. Let me see your feet. I saw him messing with the tree trunk, so I guess that's what he was doing. Uh-huh. Come here. Angel. That's where they sleep during the morning. Lake feeding to attack you. Look behind you, real easy. He was smelling you. You know, the pep, you can't come out, Betty. I know you want to. But y'all eat the trees. Y'all gotta let the trees grow back. Blake the baby, ain't he? Uh-huh. He said, scratch my belly. He said, it feels so good.
There it go.
You a bit of spaghetti? She said, I'm mad at you. You don't let me in the yard no more.
Call you eat trees.
Y'all eat all the dang gum trees. Here come the angel bug.
Twins want to come out.
Yeah. I see you been getting your feet sanded down, Pep. I mean, Angel. I said Pep. That's how he saw Pepper doing it. They do a little better, don't the back ones do? Hey, baby.
See, you did. You got to turn it.
Come here. Love your mama. Look at the Pep. I love the mama. I want to know your breast. What do you want? Let me get that nose. You got to put this lower now. Remember, you got to put it down low.
That's low as it like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. We'll be in the front yard when we walk up. Oh, you gonna see?
That's low as it now.
No, it's not.
Yeah. That's where I had it.
No, it wasn't.
Tight. Yeah, it is now. See, I didn't move that.
Hit your head with the phone.
I haven't moved, but I will. But I don't even move that. Step here. Baby, when I put it so tight, you would be crazy.
Yeah, look how she's looking at you. Pep, you so tiny, ain't it?
Oh.
Pep. You're so tiny.
Hey.
Hey, mama, baby. Hey, mama's baby. Say, Daddy got the paper.
You don't like my mental hell. Come here. You get that hat. You get that hat.
Oh, that's good. I can't believe he's coming that close. Ain't that crazy? What if he decided to come to, we've had him, what, 6 years?
Yeah, I
Oh my God, that is amazing. Hold that paper out.
Peppers is tiny, ain't he?
Ain't he tiny? And mean. Look how Jake looking at you. I know he bothers you, baby, but if y'all want to eat the trees, y'all could come in the front yard, but y'all eat the trees. I see how he looked at you. Like the deacon of a church.
Yeah. Hey, Jake.
He said, you got in that corn, man?
Look at Jimmy. Knowing there's nothing in there.
Nothing in the pans.
Nothing in the pan.
He said, I'm just checking. You let her out, because he's driving her crazy.
Yeah, they go.
I know, just leave her in there then. She'll walk away when we leave.
Yeah, she'll walk away.
She said, Daddy, I'm in prison. She said, he done made me break my horn. Oh.
Come on.
Look at him. He's so mannish, ain't he?
Yeah, he driving crazy.
Why you so, look at him. Stop being so mannish. You already got a damn field full of kids. He said, it's Father's Day. That's my baby mama. Look at Jake said, oh, we don't get to come out no more.
Oh, especially now, Jimmy.
Uh-uh.
No goodness.
Jimmy's the tree eater.
Yeah, especially out there.
Look how she looking. She said that you're letting the babies out?
Nope. You want to come out?
And she'll be screaming 10 minutes from now, want me to go in. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, there goes soda, Betty. Daddy got soda. Oh, she's in heat too, Albert. Oh, my Lord. Oh, God. She's probably already pregnant. She's sucking it.
Yeah, she'll get a caffeine high. Brain freeze.
If you show her how to do her lips, it'll be better. Put it right in her lips.
She don't want to.
Because you spoiled her. She said, pour it on over a little bit so I can suck it out. Look, she was going.
I'm gonna get you something.
You got it all around your mouth, Betty. You're like a rabied dog. All right, y'all. Bye-bye.